everyone, this is Tim from Your Six Studios. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to get and install Roblox on your PS4. So let's go on over to the PlayStation Store right here. And then go all the way up to the top. Go to search. Now type in Roblox. Now if you type in Rob, you're probably going to see Roblox right here. This is very misleading. Just type in Roblox and you should see the actual game. So the first one is Ink Master Squid Diver. This is from the Roblox Corporation, the same corporation that makes the actual Roblox game. So that's why it's displaying when you type that in. So it's kind of misleading because it's not the same name. So let's go on over to Roblox now, the game here. Select it. And then we can go to download and we can get this on our PlayStation 4 now. So this is going to download now. And it should be sent to my home screen where I can see it under here. So here's Roblox. It's on my account now. And that should be good to go. Hopefully this video did indeed help you out. Leave it a big thumbs up. And subscribe to my channel down below for more tech videos coming up next on Your Six Studios.